Have you ever found yourself constantly refreshing your bank account, hoping to see your tax refund finally appear? You're not alone. Many of us eagerly anticipate that extra boost to our finances, especially when we have big plans for the money. But what happens when your refund is nowhere in sight, weeks, or even months after filing your taxes? Today, we're diving into the frustrating world of delayed tax refunds. We'll explore common reasons for delays, how to use the IRS tools effectively, and what steps you can take if your refund seems stuck in limbo. Let's start by understanding why refunds are delayed. It's not uncommon for the IRS to flag returns for review. This can be due to errors, inconsistencies, or signs of potential identity theft. It's frustrating because often, you're left in the dark without an explanation, just a note saying your return is being reviewed. But here's a thought, while these delays are inconvenient, they're not happening to everyone. Most refunds do arrive on time. Yet, for those caught in this delay, it can mean waiting much longer than expected, sometimes even years. It's a real issue because many depend on these refunds for major financial plans. So now, if you've been waiting a long time, you might be checking the IRS's "Where's my refund" tool very often. But when that tool just keeps saying your return is under review, what are your options? First, you should know that after 6 weeks, it might be time to start making some calls. Contacting the IRS directly is the next step, and if that doesn't help, you might need to escalate your case. For those extreme cases where delays cause financial distress or seem never-ending, there is a special form, the IRS Form 911, that can be filed to seek assistance from the Taxpayer Advocate Service. This is an independent organization within the IRS that helps people when normal processes fail. Even though this all may be frustrating, let's talk about something positive. If your refund is delayed beyond 45 days, the IRS starts paying interest, which is currently quite high. However, keep in mind that this interest is taxable. Though, I know, it is ironic, isn't it? You get a little bonus for your trouble, but then you have to give a piece of it back. Moving on, I want to point out that in some cases, reaching out to your congressional representatives can make a difference. They have ways to push through the bureaucratic red tape that can slow down the refund process. It's not a guaranteed fast pass, but it's an option when you feel like you've hit a wall. Now, I know this all might sound daunting, having to chase down your own money that you overpaid in taxes. But staying informed and knowing your options can empower you to act appropriately and, hopefully, resolve the issue faster. So, what can you take away from today's discussion? First, most tax refunds do come through on time, so don't worry unnecessarily. But if you do find yourself waiting, remember the steps we talked about. Check the "Where's my refund" tool, contact the IRS after 6 weeks, consider escalating the situation, and remember that there are resources like the Taxpayer Advocate Service and even your own congressional representatives. I hope none of you ever have to face a long delay, but if you do, now you're equipped with the knowledge to help handle it. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay informed and take control of your finances.